Hello, in this video we're gonna compare the charging capabilities of iPhone 15 and Samsung S23. So the iPhone 15 is on the left side, Samsung S23 is on the right side, and we'll be able to compare the charging performance using this GoSun Smart Socket, and it will tell the exact statistics on this phone right here. So you will see all of them in the middle. Now we're gonna use the Apple charger, which is 61 watts, and it's USB-C, so I'm gonna plug it in with the GoSun Smart Socket. And one thing to note before we actually begin is that the Samsung is about 44% of battery and iPhone is 78 or 75. Now this shouldn't make much difference, but we'll see. Now let's connect the Samsung and see the statistics. Move to electric tab, and here let's wait about 1 minute till all of the statistics stabilize. Okay, I think we can save it now. Sorry. Actually, I can't save it, so let's just remember that statistics right here, and we'll now connect the iPhone. And as you can see, the difference is 1.5 watts, and the Samsung had 10 and iPhone has 8.5, ranging between 9, and that might be because the iPhone is charged to 75% and it just charges it slower, doesn't need that voltage, and the Samsung is 45%. But anyway, the difference is 1.5, and that is basically it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.